Okay, installing the cam bearings. I returned them. Guys at Engine Speed Warehouse, Tucson, Arizona. Not a problem. So the oil hole is at the bottom. So I'm going to rotate this 180 degrees. And go ahead and install it like that. Start at the back of the engine first, of course. You guys should know that. Hammer. Cam bearing installation tool. Going a little bit further. Check it again. A little bit further. Check it again. A wee bit more. Said a wee bit more.
Cam bearings?
Yep. That looks good. Scott's here to inspect. Did I do a good job? Cam bearings in.